Morning, students. I hope all are fine and maintaining social distance. And I hope you have practiced the sums and what the homework is given during the summer vacation. Today, we'll start with a new chapter, that is the triangles. I hope that you have done this concept that triangles means these are the triangles of what, that congruency of congruency chapter. This concept more or less you know about in class 9, 7 and 8 you have done. The more details we'll do in class 9. Now see what is given. First we know that side. What is given? Side SSS congruency rules. What is given? Two triangles are congruent if the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the other triangle. What does it mean? What does it mean? Two triangles are congruent if the three side. Then from here, see I have drawn a two triangles. Here the triangles naming is given A, this triangle ABC and PQR. See the symbol. These symbols means what? This side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and these three lines, and here also this side and this side is equal. Then from here what I can say that AB equals to PQ, that AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR. In this kind of questions, all these sides will be given. You have to find it out. Suppose some side will be common also, some side will be equally divided also, but you have to think. But you have to see that once when you both the triangles are congruent, that means all three sides should be equal. Then you can use this rule, that is side congruency rule. Next, one more rule we are coming, that side angle side rule. What is the side angle side rule? That is given SAS. That means what? If two triangles, what is given? This side, this two side, this side and this side will be equal, and this side and this side will be equal, and in between two equal sides, one angle will be equal from the both the triangles. That time we can say that is going by side angle side congruency rule. Then from here in the question also you will see that this type will be given. When one side will be equal, one angle will be equal, other side will be also equal. That time we can say that both the sides and the angle is also equal. That time we can use that side angle side congruency rule. Now one more thing I have written over here, CPCTC actually, but I have written CPCT. That is what is the congruency corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. C for congruency, P for part, C for congruent, T for triangles. Corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Why I have written this one? As because see in some question we will see that suppose if these two triangles are congruent, we can say that any of the side, any of the angle will be equal. How? By CPCT. One example we will do. I'll show you one example. See, I have taken one example. See what is given. In an adjoining quadrilateral, AC equals to AD and AB bisect angle A. Show that ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? See, this is the part. Now we have to, what is the concept? See the formation, means how I am doing this way you have to do. First you write down given. What are the given? Given is given. See what are the given over here in the question. AC equals to AD. All are given in the question only. See. Now AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. That means what? This angle and this will be also equal. Then to prove, what is given proof? ABC congruent to triangle ABD. ABC congruent to triangle ABD is the congruency symbol. Now to prove. Now we are coming to the solution. See, I have written what, when which two triangle you are proving. You have to mention that one very fast. Means there is very important thing. In the question you have to mention which two triangle you are making the congruency. So I have written ABC and ABD. ABC and ABD. I have written in triangle ABC and ABD. You have given AC equals to AD given. Why given? As because it is given in the question. I have written already over here. It's a given. Now AC that angle, now what is given? CAB equals to BAD. CAB equals to BAD, or DAB, same concept. That is what, since AB is the bisector of angle A, if the bisector is given, that means both one angle will be equal to each other. Now what you given, see AB equals to AB written common. See, this is not given, I written why common. See, this is a common boundary for both the triangles. Now see, we have written ABC congruent triangle ABD by why, as because see, this side and this side, and between these two sides are given the angle, that is given what, side angle side congruency, side angle side congruency. Now see, we are given what, extra part. See, we have to prove that whether this BC and BD are equal or not. BC and BD are equal or not. Yes, definitely they are equal. What will I write down? CPCT by CPCT. If they ask you if this angle and this angle is equal, yes, you can say equal by CPCT. This question is not given, but I am just taking you an example. If it is given in the question that AC equals to BD angle, that means yes, AC angle angle C is equals to D. Yes, angle C equals to angle D by CPCT. This is the solution done. I hope you have understood this question. These all are proving sum. You have to prove, then only you can find it out the problems. Any problems, you can see the video 2-3 times as much you want, but make sure that you have to go through the video properly, see what I have explained. Any doubt you can ask, and till then, have a nice day, and I'll give some homework also. Do that homework properly. Okay, bye.